Saturday. It's February 1st. And me and the kiddos is out in these streets. It's such a pretty day. Okay, come in. Look how pretty it is. It's so pretty outside. And it feels good. Real good. Anyways, we're just about to roll on over here to this little outside mall. And then I'm gonna go get a pedicure at that place I was telling y'all about. It's black owned. I made an appointment. I can't get my nails done because I gotta get them soaked off first because they don't work over other people's work. So I'm gonna soak these off and I'm gonna let them do my nails at a later time. And then we're gonna go eat pho, our favorite Vietnamese, at our favorite Vietnamese restaurant. And then we're gonna come back home and we're gonna clean and chill outside and enjoy this nice weather that God has blessed us with on this lovely Saturday. Nice way to begin the month, huh? I would think so.
You're too far away. Make no mistake. Hey, I think you should stay. I want every little bit. I ain't never seen it drip like this. Heaven at my fingertips. Let's not let a minute slip. Just say you have me. Oh, taste and see. Yeah. Oh.
So we officially done with the pedicure, and I did schedule an appointment to go back to them. She said come in 3 weeks to redo my pedicure. So I'm gonna have them soak these off at that time and also get a new set. So yeah, I will be going there. And now we're about to go eat some pho at our favorite Vietnamese restaurant called Pho Duck or Pho Duck. No, we be saying pho, but you know, it is pho. So yeah, we're on our way to Grand Prairie. And somebody is finally went to sleep. Blow it.
18 years.
Yeah. And after pho, we went to the little Cedar Hill outside little village thing, the little outside mall. And Mia wanted to get some shoes, so she got some Adidas from Journey. She wanted the campus style. So we was just rolling on through there, looking for a park. It was quite packed. And there my little babies are, me and Mr. Kanan. And we finally made it into the store where Mia tried them on. She also went in H&M and got her some pants too. But yeah, them kind of cute. I just be letting her express herself, y'all. The locks and all, it's not my idea. That was her idea. She begged for them for like 2 years. So I'm just letting the child have her way. We got ice cream after that from Brahms. Kana was asleep. So all right, hey y'all. Don't mind me. You got something from Nike. Every time I'm on here, this man calls me.
Yes, I was just calling to check on what the hell is going on between the sheets in my home.
I'm glad the camera can see you. I'm glad the camera got all this.
Yeah.
Lord Jesus. Anyway, I'm trying to record this. I'm finna do an unboxing of the things that I got over here. That's been sitting in the corner for the last week or two.
Noted.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so I will call you back as soon as I'm done, okay?
Okay, cool.
All right, bye. And what is it? Gold. Y'all know that's my color. Close up.
Mom.
But here's a picture of the shoes and the purse together. Cute, cute. If you know, you know, I love Air Max 1s, and there is the red and white ones. That's not the original red and white one, but I like that one. So I got it. And there it is, and there's a better picture of those as well. And then we're just gonna move on and open up the lotion, body oil, deodorant, and body wash from Saltaire. This is the vanilla one, the newest vanilla one. And it smells pretty good. It's not the best one. I have a couple other fragrances of their brand in my shower that I use, and I like those better. This, don't get me wrong, this one is not bad. I think it's called Vanilla Saltwater. It's good, but it's just not strong enough for me. I like to smell real good, okay? Period. That's me just putting everything away. Yeah. Okay, and then we got 2 pairs of shoes. So that is it for this little unboxing haul. Sorry, I'm trying to get a good picture, but if y'all know who behind this camera, you'd understand why it's so hard. So Golden Goose, Air Max 1s, and some Saltaire body products. So I'm sorry if this is not the best video, but y'all, I'm a mom first. Hey, so I do apologize, but I did the best that I could. I got the video out. I'm just trying to be consistent. Like I told y'all, this is not perfection over here. It never will be. I'm going to be me. And I hope that y'all enjoy it, and I'll see y'all in the next one. So have a good one.
Happened so naturally, didn't I know it was love? Next thing I felt